the city hall, the city offices, and it has stars on it to show leadership. And in City Hall, that's where they make the laws for us. They help us, like I said, keep our community safe, make those big decisions for us. So that helps us to be good citizens as well. And City Hall is linked with the police department, the fire department, so I'm going to have Alexa help me connect the hands. If you could scoot this way for us a little bit closer. Go ahead. Let's take a walk there. I knew I liked this guy because I asked him, would you like a chair? Would you like to sit over here, over here? Like to sit in the back with the teachers? He said, no, it's okay. I just like to sit up here on the stage. That way I can see everything that's going on. And I just thought that was just great. So he gets to be a part of this from the very beginning. I thought that was wonderful. But Mayor McCaleb is a very, very busy man. We're so thankful he had time to join us in this very busy schedule. But he has been the mayor of Broken Arrow, where many of you, that's where your home is. Obviously, we are at Broken Arrow right here. And he's been the mayor for 1 year. But before that, he was 8 years in the city council, and he was just 6 years as the planning commissioner for Broken Arrow. He came all the way from Nashville, Tennessee, when he was just a little bit older than you, when he was a teenager, and then even actually went to high school in Dallas, so he's well-traveled, he's been all over, and then has been in Broken Arrow area for 33 years. That's a long